Good afternoon, students. Today we will continue our next topic, structure. The general meaning of structure is formation of something. But in case of C language, we discuss array. Array, also known as formation of same thing, means array combine the data element that belong to similar data type. If we declare array such that A 10, it means that it contains 10 elements that belong to integer type. It means integer. It doesn't contain any element which is float or character. So if we use structure, we can solve this problem. Structure means collection of elements that belongs to different data types. Before learning structure, we will see syntax of structure. Here we represent the struct. Struct is a keyword, and here we write structure name. The formation of structure starts with the opening braces, and all structure members, it means like a family. In our family, we are a collection of members. In same case structure, there is a member which is called member variable. Here member variable 1, member variable 2, and up to n. At last, after declaring all these member variable, we come to close structure body, and after that we again use struct keyword, structure name, and the new thing is structure variable. So all of this is syntax of structure. Now looking on this basis, we declare structure example. Structure example. Suppose we want a structure for a book. So structure name is equal to book. Here book is a structure name, and book ID, book name, price is called structure member. Structure member. So on the basis of syntax we declare a structure for book. Here the keyword comes first, struct, structure name is book. After this opening braces comes, and in this portion and in this portion we declare structure member. So structure member is first of all book ID, that is belong to integer type. It is book ID. Now book name, of course it is character type, character, book name, and last thing is price. So generally we represent the price as a float type. So last member is book price. All of these three represent the structure member or member variable. At last we represent structure variable, because structure variable is necessary to allocate memory for all of these members. Without declaring structure variable, the memory is not allocated for these member variables. So we declare structure variable, keyword struct, structure name is book. Here comes structure variable. So B1 is our structure variable. Now we will discuss access mechanism of structure member. Access mechanism of structure member. For accessing structure member, a special operator that is called dot operator, is used. The syntax is here comes structure variable, dot operator, and member variable. For example, how to access the value of book ID, book price or book name? The simple thing is that write the structure variable first. In previous slide we see here our structure variable name is B1. So look at this syntax, structure variable, write structure variable B1 and following the dot operator and member variable name. First of all we access our book ID. So book ID comes. Book ID is generally, for example, 000. After that we want to access book name. Again we write B1 dot book name is equal to TOC. Here TOC represents the book name, Theory of Computation. The last member is price. For this we write B1 dot, here we represent book name. For price we write book price. Book price is float type, so the values always belong to float type. So we write 112.60. So here represent the mechanism of accessing structure variable. The simple case, in simple case, we assign the value in variable using equal to operator. For example, integer x equal to 10. But in case of structure, we can't do this. If you think book ID is equal to 111, so it's a wrong method to assigning the bill. So in that case, we use a special operator which we will discuss, dot operator, because memory is not allocated for this member variable. Memory is allocated for structure variable. Memory is allocated for structure variable. That is the reason we use all of member variable. We use all of member variable with dot operator. Dot operator along with structure variable.